Yes, we will apply again on that bean also at the rate configuration, right? Component at the rate component Pankaj, okay na? At the rate component, if we have more than one I will show that one also. I will show that really appreciated you, okay na? That's a really good question, okay? So don't worry about that. If anybody having like this doubt, let me know that, okay na? I will explain those things, okay? Don't worry about that, okay? So I will show that, okay, I will show that like yesterday how we are taking what employee and all those. If anybody having doubt, right? Doubt, let me know that I will clarify those doubt, because if doubt is there, there is no need to spend time, right? If any, I will clear the doubt, okay na? So okay, if we want, what is that emp id, we will take id, just id, right? If we want to read emp id again, for that we will use what dollar symbol and open bracket and a close bracket. Now again, if we want to use what like a value inside that, if we want to write salary, we don't want to read from the that value inside what properties. So for that, what is that value inside that, for that purpose, right? If we write hard code like salary, if we like adding and all those things is there, right? So for that, what we will hash symbol we will use, and in hash symbol open bracket close bracket. Now like 20 plus what 30, if we want to add inside that bean class only. So like that, this is, and these things is called what, spring expression, right? Expression only, right? Using this one, if we read these things is called in the spring what, spring expression, and these things I'm going to explain you people, okay na? So let's come and see that, okay na? Okay, come here. So in this application only, because I will modify this application. I'm not going to again create one more new project. Okay, na? I will explain here only. So I don't want here, right? I don't want here in the Ravi and 101. I want to read this data from what? From what? Property file, right? Property file. So what we will do now? Again come here, right? The property resource folder is not there. So what we will do now, we will come inside what, src in the project main, right click on that main and create one folder, right? Create one folder. The folder name is resources, okay na? That folder name is what, resources. Inside that, what we will do now, right click, no, right click on that project, right? And now what we will do now, my when project, and update the project. After updation, we will get the resource folder. See, we got a src main resource, right? Inside that, right click on that, new, okay, new. Now what we will do now, file, we will select file, okay na? File, okay, file, okay, okay, file is there, okay. Okay, emp data dot, what is that, properties, right? Properties. Now finish it. Okay, now in this time I'm changing the data, okay na? Here what I will do now, here employee, inside that, what is that, just a username and a password I'm taking, right? Username and a password, right? So now private string, right? Two data I'm taking, string, what is that, username, right? Second one is what, private, what is that, string, right? String, password. This two data is there, right? This two data is there, username, right? So now if we want to inject, right, to if we want, right? So okay, I'm removing here also, I'm removing these things. I will give the visualization, friend, right? So all visualization, it's not meaning that okay. So now, so what I did, I created one employee property, right, in the project. So okay, so now here what I'm doing, that I want to read this data from the property, right? From the property. So what is that, username. User I'm taking what, user, just I'm taking what, Pankaj. Pankaj, right? So password is what? Password is what? 1 2 3 4 5. This is our password. Okay, na? We want to read this property, right? So if we want to read this property, right? So I said that environment very what is that? Our Spring. To read that, what property source annotation we will take inside that, this property we will apply, right? So what we will do now? So come, we will create what? Configuration. Already we have what? It's employee bean, right? Inside it just two string, alt shift s plus s, right? S plus s. I'm overwriting two string, nothing more than else. Okay, so now this is what bean is there, right? Our bean is there. Inside that, again, what we will do now? If to how many input need our IOC container? Two, one bean and one what? Configuration file. So if we want to make this class as what? Configuration, what is that? At the rate configuration annotation we will apply on the top. Then our Spring container will treat as this one what? This one is what? Proper means configuration. But if we want to load, if we want to load this what? Property file, this property file in our Spring configuration class, right? So what annotation we will apply? At the rate property, at the rate property source, right? At the rate property source. Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass which one? Employee data dot property full package name, right? Full file name. What is that? Emp data, emp data, data dot what is that? Property, properties, right? Emp data dot property we will pass it here. Okay, after then in the previous session, in the previous project, what we are doing that here at the rate we taken what? Private environment, right? Environment in interface, environment interface. But in this time we don't have. How we are rating that? Env, right? Please mute yourself. Who is that? Please, Bharat, please mute. Okay, so but in this time we will not take anything. We can't take, just we will create this what? Class only, right? We will create this just class only, and we will apply this annotation, this two annotation, right? Just we will apply this two annotation. But now, just now I explained, right, how to read the data, right? So if we want to read the data like this one, okay, na? So we know that what is that? In property file, both are what? String only. Username, key and value. Our property file store the data in the key and value format, and both are the string only. So now come to here. So what we will do now? At the rate value, right? At the rate value annotation. Inside that value annotation, what we will do now? In dollar symbol, we will take dollar symbol, open bracket, close bracket, right? After then we will go inside that, we will take this user, right? We will take this user, and what we will do now? We will come inside that. What is that? We will pass that what? Key as here. Okay, second one is what? At the rate, what is that? At the rate value, right? At the rate value. Inside that, again, what we will do now? Again, what we will do now? Again, we will take what? Dollar symbol, and inside that, what we will do now? Come to here, right? Come to here, and again take the key, take the key. And after then, what we will do now? After taking the key, we will come inside that and we will paste it. And now, okay, just complete it. Okay, na? So now just complete it, and we taken what? At the rate component, right? At the rate component, we taken what? At the rate component here. Okay, so now if we are taking the what? At the rate component, at the rate component, so what will happen? Just the class name is capital, small letter will become. Okay, so now just run it and we will see the result. Hey, what is this? The problem? No such bean definition employee available. Okay, it's saying that no such bean. Why? It's available, right? Oh, ho, ho. Sorry. Why, why it's in one more annotation we will apply, right? Component is can. Other, because of that it's not. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. I don't know. Today I'm doing too much mistake, right? A brain only, right? A small brain, guys. Okay na? So now what is that com dot rk? Okay, okay, now come here, right? Come here, right? Now run it and we will see the result. See, username is Pankaj and password is what? 123. I reduce the code or not here. See, on that time we get the property environment we created here. What is that environment? After then we take in what is that? Come here. No, in the what is that? In the pain brace, I not mention those things. Okay. Okay. So the code here inside that I'm not doing anything in the class. Just I'm applying this annotation right on the top of this configuration, and all those things is working fine. Okay. So see how we are working like property file and see this is this just expression expression. What is that expression? If we want to apply right, just dot to upper to uppercase. Now let's run it and see that. No, not applying. Okay, okay, I will show that. Those things also I will show that. Don't worry about that. Okay, na? So user, I will show that. Okay, so this is only expression, right? El means spring expression. That much only. Not the people is saying, "Are spring expression is too much difficult." And no, okay, na? So now, okay, one more. Okay, come here. Okay, I'm creating one more private. What is that? Private. What is that? Int. I'm taking int. Just I'm taking data, right? I'm taking data. Again, what I'm doing that and right. I will show one problem. I want to show one problem, right? Now Alt Shift S plus what is that S? I'm overriding two string. I'm generating two string, right? I generated. Okay. So now what I will do now? Again, if I want to apply right at the rate value from here, I'm doing the hard coding, right? So now what we will do now? Come to here. Inside this argument, what we will pass it? Okay, now after passing that, come here, right? So if we want to inject here only data, then hash symbol we will take, right? Like just I'm taking 10 plus what? 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 means 30. Result we will get what? 30 only. Here only. See, see, come here. See, come here, right? Data is become 30. This is the expression only. This is what called spring EL, right? Now, okay. So now if you want, right? If you want just like like 1 minute. Hmm. Like come here, right? Come here. This is username, right? This is username. Come to here. Come to here. Now at the runtime, see that. Come here. See what is the Pankaj is a small letter. No, I want Pankaj is what capital letter, right? I want what Pankaj is what capital letter. So what we will do now? We will just what is that? We will take this user like this. Okay, 1 minute. I will see that. Okay, now I will see that. Now dot to upper right? Upper case, right? Method is there na in string class. We will apply it. Now run it this application and see that. Hey, no, not applying. Here it is not applying. Why? Oh, actually, in the dollar symbol it will not work. Okay, it's my mistake. In the dollar symbol it will not work. Okay, 1 minute. I will show that things. Okay, na? Like okay, now what I'm doing that? Okay, here I'm taking again one more private. What is that? String, right? String. What is that? My data. I'm taking this one. Okay, na? I will show that all those things. Don't worry. Alt Shift S plus what is that? S, right? Now I'm overriding is okay. So now what is that? Just I'm taking what is that? I'm applying at the rate value annotation here, right? At the rate value annotation. Inside that, what I'm doing that? my data. Inside that, what I'm doing, I'm taking hash symbol, right? Inside hash symbol, what I'm doing that, just I'm taking what is that, welcome. I'm taking what, welcome, but now I'm taking this single quote, right? Single quote. This one we will take in the single quote. After then, what is that? If we want to means, let's no. Just what I will do now. First, I will show the key. It will show as a what result. In the result, what is small letter. It will show inside that what is small letter. See in the array string my data. Okay, value. Sorry, this one is 1 minute. 1 minute. It's right the way directly welcome only. One minute, friend. Yes. Got it. Got it. Okay, now see, we get welcome, right? So no, I want to welcome after double quote, right? We have need whatever data we will take as a string, right? We have need to take a single quote, otherwise it will not give a error will give, right? So now I don't want. I want to two uppercase. So what we will two uppercase, right? Two uppercase method we will apply in the string class. This method is there now. Now right click on that. See, come here and see that welcome. Now this is the small, but it will become what? Capital only, right? So now come to here also, here also. Let's see that. Take in the single quote. Take in the single quote and that to uppercase, right? Apply to uppercase. Now run this one and see that it's working or not. Yeah, it's no. Here, if we read the data from property, it will not work. You know, see to uppercase. Yeah, if we are reading the data from the property, because property data is what fixed data, because it's not changing here, right? So, okay, this one will not applicable for what properties file, just whatever. Yeah, some messages got. Yes, dollar symbol. With dollar symbol, it will not work. Just the things, whatever core related things is there, those things will work with what hash symbol only, right? So this is what totally expression okay, expression tagging related things, okay na. So but one more question Pankaj said to me, right? One more question Pankaj said to me, if multiple, what is the multiple beans is there, how we will configure. Let's develop one small application and we will see that, right? And we will see that and we will inject, and that is the last concept, and again we will stop the session, okay guys? So please be patient. So just 10 to 15 minutes it will take, okay na? Just 10 to 15 minutes it will take. After then, uh, how, see, service, don't worry about that. Service class annotation also, service controller, rest controller, and a repository. Next Saturday I will start what Spring JDBC. Spring JDBC I will use this for annotation, right? No, only service component. These two annotation again I will use there, okay now. And these two annotation, this annotation is frequently useful for in the all whatever module you will develop in the Spring, right? All module, this annotation, component scan, component configuration, this annotation is frequently usable is there, useful is there, right? So don't worry about that. All those things we will there also. Whenever I will, whatever a module I will explain whatever annotation need, right? Again and again I will explain, okay now, don't worry about that, okay? I have the patience, that much patience I have, but some cooperation need from you people, and do hard work, yeah. Easy, if anything, if you get easy na, then the things will not work in the long time, okay na. So do hard work in IT sector, right? Too much good things is there. You can do wonder in the IT sector. Okay, na. So do hard work, nothing more than else. I can't say more than else. Okay. So okay, come to here. So what is that? Let's develop it, right? So just first visualize it. A study application, right? As the diagrammatically. So what is that? So come to here, right? So here we have what? Let's understand what this is. What employee? What is that package name? Package name is what? Com.rk.address addr, right? Address, the package name is there, right? This package name is there, package name is there, right? This is the what package name is there. Inside that, what is the data is there? Public. We will decide the class name as what? Public, right? So what symbol we will use? Public. For the public purpose plus symbol, right? So if we use the public, right, what is the class name? Address. The class name is what? Address. Okay, this is the address class. Okay, na. So address class is there, right? In the address class, what is that? Second one is what is that? The data is there, right? Which kind of data? One data, private data, right? Private data, HNO, home number, right? Home number. After then which kind? Int type, right? Second one is what? Location. What is that? LOC. Location I'm taking, right? Location I'm taking what? String type, right? So this is the two data is there, right? This two data is there. So this two data, after then what we will do now? We will generate what? Setter and getter method for these two purpose. Setter and getter method, we will generate what? What is that? Set. And what is that? Get, right? Means for that everybody, every attribute purpose for, we will generate what? Set get method, right? So now after then we will create what? Employee class, right? We will create what is that? Employee class. So for that, what is that? Come here now. This is what? Employee class, right? Employee class. We will decide that employee class package name is what? Com.emp dot, right? No, sorry, com.rk dot, what is that? Emp, right? Emp, this is the package name, right? We decided it. This is the package name. Okay, now come here. Okay, na. So now what is that? We will decide it. What is the class name, right? So class name every time public. So which symbol we will take? Public, for the public purpose plus symbol, right? So now employee, right? Employee, the class name is the employee. Okay, if the class name is employee, then next is what? Next is what is that? No. Okay, inside that, what is the data? Private data, right? Private data is there, right? Private data is what is that? Emp id is there, right? This one is what? Int type, right? Again, what is that? Private, right? Emp name is there, right? Emp name is there. Okay, na. Emp name, after then which kind of string type? Okay, na. After then what is that? We will has a relation, we will stable this in the between these classes, has a relation. So what is that? Private addr. Okay, na. Now address, right? Like this is what our class is there. Okay, no. Okay, so now this is what is here. What is that? Setter and getter method, right? What is that here? What is that? Set and get. Set and what is that? Get. Okay, na. After then no. Okay, so what relation is stable between these two classes? Has a relation, right? Has a relation means associate, this employee will associate with address. Okay, na. So okay, so rhombus symbol. Ah, okay. So now fine. Okay, na. So come here, and this is the okay. So okay, now here what is that? Has a, right? Has a relation is there. Okay, na. So we will develop this application and we will see, and whatever your doubt is there, right? Whatever your doubt is there, to if two bean is there, how we will work. Okay, na. Because of that, I'm going to create this application. Okay, na. So let's create one application. Just 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Within the 5 minutes, we will complete this application. Okay. So okay, so now file new other. Okay, na. Other, what is that? Maven project, right? Maven project. Now next now select this one. Okay, next. Okay, emp proj two, just emp project two component. Okay, so okay, 101. Now finish it. Yeah, this one. Okay, come here, come here, come here, come to here. Copy this tag, copy this one, and paste inside that what properties. Okay, now come to again Spring Maven context. Okay, na Spring context Maven dependency. We will copy this Spring context Maven dependency here. After then, what we will do now? Copy it. Copy it. Now come to here. Come to here. Paste it. Okay, na after pasting that, all required dependency we completed it. Okay. So now right click on that. Right click on that Maven. Update the project. Now okay. Finish. Okay, so let's create what is that. Come to here. Okay, na come to here. What is that? Address class. First we will develop what? Address class. Okay, na so now come to here. Now right click class. What is that package name? Oh, our Spring is what, sorry, Maven is creating by default one packages, right? Delete it. Those packages we don't have need. Okay, so now delete it. Okay, after deleting these packages, what we will do now? Right click on that package, new class. Okay, now take it com dot rk dot rk dot, what is that? Addr, right? Package name. Now class name is what? Address, right? Now finish it. After finishing that, what is that? After finishing that, you said that, right? So what you will do now? At the rate component, right? Component annotation we will apply it, right? After applying this component annotation, what we will do now? We have what? Two data, right? Private, what is that? Int hno number, home number, right? Now second one is what? Private string, right? String, what is that? Location means loc. Okay, location, these two data is there. Okay, now so now okay, if we want to apply, what is that? At the rate value, just I'm hard coding the data right here. After hard coding the data, what is the h1 number? 101. Okay, home number is this is. After then, what is that? Location, at the rate value, I'm taking at the rate value. Inside that, what is that? Inside that, what I'm doing that, again I'm taking what is that? Location is what? Mysore only. Mysore. Okay, na this is what. After then, what I'm taking at the rate alt shift s plus s, I'm overriding to string method here only, just. Okay, so now at the rate component, but what is that? Address. Here what it will become? Address it will become it, right? So now, so okay, come to here. Now come to here. So again another package, right? Let's create one more package. Let's create one more new. What is that? Class. Okay, again 10 minutes. Okay, okay, no problem. Until unless we will not complete, don't go anywhere, guys. Okay, na just last application only. Okay, na so now okay, employee, right? Employee, what is that? Emp folder name. After then, what is that? Employee package class name. Okay, na inside that, what we will do now? So if we don't want to create the object, what annotation we will apply? At the rate config annotation we will apply. Config, no, sorry, component annotation we will apply it, right? Here also I'm applied component. Fine. Okay, now so now okay, so what is the data? Private. Okay, now private. Okay, now private, what is that? Int emp id, right? Emp id. Private string, what is that? String emp name, right? Emp name. Again, what is that? Private address, right? Address addr. This is the data. See, in the employee class, what is what? Employee id, employee name, address. Okay, na so we know that if we want, so here what we will do now? At the rate value annotation I will apply, right? Inside that, what I will do now? Inside that, just I'm taking what? 500 employee id, right? Employee id is 500. After then, what is that? At the rate value, right? At the rate value, inside that, what I'm doing that, just at the rate value, inside that I'm taking what? I'm taking Ravi, my name only. I'm taking Ravi now. After then, We know that how we will inject, yesterday we learned how we will inject object, right? Just we will apply what, at the rate auto wire, at the rate auto wire. Okay na, after applying the auto wire, what we will do now, alt shift s plus s, just I'm overriding two string method now. Okay, so all see, two bean classes is ready based on what, at the rate component annotation, right? At the rate component annotation, we means we don't want to configure these classes in what, application configuration, but still we have need what, spring configuration class. So what we will do now, come here, right? Now come com dot, what is that, com dot rk dot, right? Rk dot confg, config, right? Now application config, right? Come here. So okay, so if we want to make this class, if we want to make this class as a configuration class, which annotation we will apply, at the rate config, right? At the rate configuration annotation. Okay, now okay, so after then what is that, here we are not reading the what property file, but if we want to scan this, where these classes is there, where these classes is there, where these classes is there, which annotation we will apply, at the rate component scan annotation, right? At the rate component scan annotation, right? Inside that, what we will do now, we will pass that what, we will pass that what, com dot rk, right? After passing this one, okay na, after passing this, all permutation, whatever the need we will completed, shall we test this application now? Okay, now right click on that, now click on here, now com dot rk dot, what is that, test. Okay na, test. Now okay, testing it, test, test. Okay, take the main method. Okay, now come here, now delete it. Okay, delete it. Now what is that, application context, right? Application context, right? Application, oh sorry. Hmm. Application context ac equal to, what is that, application context ac. Okay, now okay, what is that? Okay, here what we will do now, we will pass that configuration here, right? We will pass app config, right? App config dot class. Okay, after passing that, what we will get, right? What we will get, sorry, here new. Okay, okay, it will return back, what is that, ac dot, what is that, ac dot get bean, right? Get bean, right? Get bean. Inside that, I already said that. Okay now, we have need to read this one, we are not taking here. What is that, employee class first letter will become small, right? So if small it will become, then what is that, here it will become e. Okay, now okay, fine. Now what is that, what is that, again comma, employee dot class. Okay na, employee dot class. Okay, it will return what, it will return what, employee dot emp. Okay na, so now okay, so let's yes for you, sys out emp. Now run this application and see the result. See, we got it or not, we got it or not. What is that, emp 500 emp ravi address, and we are not, here we are not doing in the application configuration, we are not doing, you people seen or not, power of at the rate annotation configuration. See how we started, and totally using annotation we reduce the code, right? This is the power of annotation, and these things is people are using, guys. Okay na, so see how I analyze, and first step, then I take in what is the actuality and what is the useful for you people. These things please practice. Okay now, please practice, for what, please practice it, this annotation. Okay na, so now today I completed successfully core concept. Okay na, now Pankaj, you seen, two dependency, two, if two classes is there, how we can inject, but just we apply what, at the rate component annotation and the top of, right? And if class is there, in the what here, yeah, here what I did, auto wire annotation I applied, just based on the auto wire annotation. If you want, you can see that, right? Just I will, what is that, come here, and I just comment it, right? See, we will get exception, dependency not found, right? See, run this application and see the result. See, we are getting the exception or not, means our IOC container is not creating the object. See the exception also come here, right? com.rk address is not available. See, available ही नहीं है, means not available, right? So not available. If you don't want to this much exception, you want to null right here. So if you want to null, what yesterday I explained, just in the r here in the auto wire, what you will do, required parameter is there, false, make as a false, right? Make as a false. Now we will get 500 Rabi, and here we will get what, null. Come and see that, see that, see, 500 Ravi null. So if you want total things to work as a properly, just uncomment what, at the rate component. If you want uncomment at the rate component, come here, come here, come here and see the result, right? See the result, Mysore, Hyderabad. We are getting or not? Yeah, Suraj, I will teach Spring JDBC. Coming Saturday I will teach Spring JDBC. Not and these things only I will use again and again. Okay, na, in the previous next session also, because this, why, you know why we are learning Spring Core. If you know, even in the initial session also I said that, right? Ki please accept. See, Spring Core, Spring MVC will become like halwa. If you know that proper way, like what, Spring Core. So okay, don't worry about that. Okay, na, Spring Core, I touch each and everything. Okay, na, and whatever things is required and related, even as well as interviewer also asking this question only. Okay, so because I know that, right, I'm also taking the interview. And even think about this much people are there, it's not meaning that everybody is what, fresher only. In the group, our group, experienced people also is there. 10 years of experienced people are there. I don't know which kind of they have the experience, and still they again becoming jobless. 10 years of experience means something in the IT industry, not easy things. But I don't know how the people is becoming again unsuccess. Really, that things is not good. But okay, they are not doing hard work. And I see, boss, everybody, by seeing the face, no one can give the money. Yaar. Just I know only one word. Okay, now. So if you want to earn the money, right, you have learn the things. Otherwise, there is no way to give anybody. Anybody will not give the money. Okay, na, meeting will stop. Okay, na, don't go. Come back again. Okay, na, some discussion is need to with you people, right? I need to spend some 5 to 4 minute time. Okay, na. So please come back just within the 1 minute. It this